Hi everyone! First of all, Roman Karim to all of you. I'm Fatia Fauzi and welcome back to another episode of Fatia's Fashion Flash. And you guys, what do you know? It's already the third week of Ramadan. It's been 3 weeks of fasting. Kudos to all of you for surviving up till today. It's only one more week to go. Raya is next week. In lieu of that, we're gonna do a Raya edition. I know some of you may be busy preparing for Raya, baking your cookies, your kuih muih, spring cleaning. Please spring clean because people are gonna come to your house, right? If you've done all that and you still have not found your Raya baju, I've got you covered. I have like 10 different outfits for you from Ayu Apparels, Singapore's largest Muslimah online store. So let me show you the first collection right now. Okay, so first up, what I have is this beaded sequin kurung in white, and this comes in 4 different colors ranging from size S to L and retails for $72. So what's nice about this is the lace has 3D foils, so it's textured and you can see it from afar. And if you can't imagine how it looks like, I'm going to show you now. Okay, so next up, I'm calling all the kabaya lovers out there. I have this Muwairah kabaya set. It's very simple, but you can always like accessorize the outfit. What I have with me is Korean-sam. You can style it so many different ways, but I'll just show you one right now. And I'll pair it with gold, because it just exudes out this mocha color. We have it in 5 different colors, size range from S to XL, and it's only $62. It's really affordable. Again, if you can't visualize. Okay, so next up, I have this set piece. It's a 2-way wrap kurung set. This one is in mint, and we are only left with 6 colors. And it only retails for $82. I know you can't see it, but I'll show you how to style this skirt here. Next up, I have a super versatile piece. This is the embroidered kurung in black rosewood. It has really pretty details, and what I like about this is you can mix and match to normal days. So you can pair this with a different skirt, you can wear it with jeans or flat pants, and then of course with this you can wear it with any other tops that you have. We only have 3 colors left and it's so affordable. It's only $58. So please grab yours while you can. 3 colors left. Okay, so next up, I have this Karina Kurung set. This is the top, flared sleeves. And this is the bottom with ruffles. This is in emerald, and we have 6 colors, only $49. And it ranges from S to M. Again, the simplest outfits can bring so many different types of styling, because you can pair it with different colored tudung, hijab, and different makeup looks, different hairstyles. You can work it through all year round. And you're gonna see how it looks in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so next up, I have a Songket inspired piece. It's a kurung set in maroon. And what's nice about this is it has a zipper at the front, so it's great for breastfeeding mothers. As you can see, the sleeves match the skirt. So we have this in 5 different colors, and this has the biggest range from size S to XXL, and it's only $62. You wanna see how it looks like? Check this out. Okay, so next up, this is for all the lace lovers out there. I have this piece in soft pink, and this is called the Lunar Peplum, because obviously, look at the peplum, really pretty. And we have this in 3 different colors, $78. And you want to see how it looks like? Okay, so the next item that I'm going to show you is this kabaya top, and we have it in 3 different colors. It's only $36. It's only available in size S and XL. Now, okay, I'm not going to leave you hanging with just this, because we have this red batik skirt. See, really pretty. It has gold embroidery, but we have this in 20 designs. This is only $30, so if you're stuck with 3 colors but you have different batik skirts. You can be a bridesmaid, you can pair it with like your siblings, and it's really nice. One of the ways that you can accessorize this is, let me go back again to this great accessory called a korengsang. Because again, everyone knows a korengsang goes really well with kebaya. 3 different colors. You can pair it with gold, you can pair it with silver, you can get this at Geylang. I think in Woodlands, there's so many businesses out there, you can just grab one. You wanna see how it looks like? Next up is a slightly different kebaya. This is the ruffle sleeve set. It comes in 8 different colors, range from size S to L, and it's only $68. And again, what you can do with this is to accessorize it with a korengsang. Honestly, you can, if you want something different, you can also accessorize it with belt. This is a bit more traditional with, of course, a touch of the modern aspect. Last but not least, I have this really glamorous piece called the Alder Jacquard set. And this is in silver. We have it in 4 different colors. It retails for $89. And what's nice about this is the little embellishments here. You can see it up close when I wear it in 3, 2. And there you have it. 10 different outfits for you to choose from. They're all affordable, versatile, and you can bring it from this Raya, next Raya, next Raya. That is of course if you don't put on weight after eating all your lontong and ketupat, right? Okay, so you're spoiled for choices, you know where to go, where to find them, and I hope this has been super useful for you. Before I say goodbye, I would firstly like to apologize if I have offended you, if I've used harsh language, mean comments, inappropriate, anything that isn't nice. I really am sorry for that, and till then, Selamat Hari Maaf Zahir dan Batin.
Brought to you by Ayu Apparels, Singapore's largest Muslimah online store.